You don't need to spend $10,000 to have a professional sound. In fact, most of the hits you hear today were started in a home setup costing less than $1,000. Welcome back to XMP Artist Academy. Today we're building your professional foundation. We're showing you exactly how to pick the right gear to capture industry-standard vocals at home. The secret isn't just buying gear, it's buying the right gear. Let's break down the essential components of your under $1,000 home studio. Point 1. The audio interface. This is the brain of your studio. You need high-quality preamps and clean converters to ensure your voice reaches your computer without noise. Real Studio Insight. Don't overspend here. A 2-channel interface from a reputable brand like Focusrite or PreSonus is all you need to get a professional signal for under $200. Point 2. The microphone. For hip-hop and R&B, a large diaphragm condenser microphone is essential. It captures the detail, the breath, and the power of your vocal. Real Studio Insight. You can find incredible workhorse microphones for around $300. Look for something with a flat response that doesn't add too much artificial color to your voice. Point 3. Monitoring. You can't mix what you can't hear. You need accurate studio monitors or professional headphones that give you a true representation of your sound. Real Studio Insight. If your room isn't treated, invest more in professional headphones first. They allow you to hear the fine details of your mix without the room's acoustics getting in the way. Point 4. Room treatment. This is the most ignored part of a home studio. Even the best mic will sound amateur if you're recording in a room that echoes like a bathroom. Real Studio Insight. You don't need a professional booth. Thick blankets, heavy curtains, and strategic foam placement can turn a bedroom into a pro recording space for less than $100. Point 5. The DAW. Whether it's Logic, Pro Tools, or Studio One, pick a professional software and master it. The software is your canvas. Learn every tool it offers. Here are 3 actionable tips to build your pro studio for under $1,000. First, spend 60% of your budget on your microphone and interface. That's your signal chain. Don't compromise there. Second, treat your room before you buy expensive plugins. A clean recording is worth more than $1,000 in software. Third, spend time learning your gear. A pro who knows a $500 setup will always beat an amateur with a $5,000 one. In summary, invest in a clean interface, a solid condenser mic, accurate monitoring, and room treatment. That is the blueprint for a pro sound on a budget. Your environment shapes your sound. Build a space that inspires you to create your best work every single day. The world is waiting to hear you. Subscribe to XMP Artist Academy for more gear and session guides. Improve your sound, improve your career. I'll see you in video 8.